The objective of this event today is to introduce the first regulatory platform in Mauritius. The name of the platform is called Algorythmics, and today we're going to introduce features and technologies to make the work of compliance officers easier, to reduce the workload of their work, and to introduce better control and better reporting. Algorythmics is a project that is today, in fact, the culmination of about 2 years of work, of R&D work, and we are launching it with a certain set of services that we will be introducing, like electronic EKYC, financial transaction monitoring, back office automation. So we will have the chance to explain in more details. We also have some demonstrations to show the attendees how those features are implemented and what they actually do. We'll take up obviously questions from professionals in the industry. There will be a lot of compliance officers from financial institutions attending, but also people from other sectors who have an interest in compliance.
Technology is an important pillar in corporate governance, especially when we bear into account that the corporate governance landscape is changing, and even the technology era is coming up with a number of developments like machine learning, blockchain, etc. So it is very important for board directors, our members and key stakeholders to be aware of the benefits that come up with such technology advancement, and also the risks associated with the RegTech, for instance, which was the presentation of today.
Regulation is a very important aspect in any organization's operations today. And as compliance is becoming something of quite complex, with more and more requirements, we see that organizations are now leaning on technology to ensure that they come up to scale with the different regulatory requirements. And events like today help a lot, first into introducing what are the different alternatives for automated regulation, but at the same time they are here also to demystify what can be done, what cannot be done, and what perhaps others are doing.
Yeah, so today's event is interesting in the sense that it enables the audience to understand the challenges that we face in terms of compliance in our day-to-day, but also to look at what are the solutions that are available to enable them to better manage those compliance risks and also mitigate the cost of compliance, because obviously there is a lot of compliance challenges that we need to navigate, be it from regulatory, AML, CFT, tax, or even from a customer due diligence perspective. So these solutions that have been presented today enables the audience to understand better how they can use technology to reduce, the amount of time that is spent on those compliance matters. So RegTech generally will help in terms of better managing our compliance requirements and make us, compliant and avoid leaving gaps in terms of our compliance obligations. So all people are looking for solutions today where there is automation in terms of the processes, where you can better organize your data, where you can simplify the processes. And I think these platforms like RegTech that we have seen today have been developed by Cybernetics enables the audience and the customers to understand better what they can use in terms of those technology.